Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to a new video. Today it's in the morning. It's not in the morning anymore. It is 12:19. So yeah, today I woke up and I was like, damn, I gotta be a profitable trader. I gotta be a very good trader. So I woke up, have my breakfast, healthy organic food, and then I said to myself I gotta go to the gym. So after this, I gotta go to the gym because I didn't went yesterday. Because last week I just went 4 times, and my routine is going 5 times a week. So yeah, I'm missing one day. I have to make it today and a Sunday. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. That's gonna make me a better trader. Then I'm going to do it. So yeah, and now after this, so I just woke up, eat my breakfast, and I was like, damn, I'm just gonna take this as like a real trading day. When I just woke up, eat, and then just go straight into the charts. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It's not that early. It's around 12, but I woke up at 10, so it's kind of the same. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how I can do today, and yeah, hopefully now we can get good trades. Even though it was a very tricky market session last week on the trading session. So let's go ahead. Daily, we're seeing the same spot. We're overextended with this movement up. So yeah, and then in the 4 hour, we were already getting that curve to the downside. So yeah, barely making a new high. So it's looking like now we're gonna dump. But yeah, let's go ahead and look what bias do we have. So we're delivering from the sell side right now. Are we market open? No, we're not. We were gonna start really bad. Okay, now, okay. This is Monday 14. Let's watch news real quick. Oh hell no. Yeah. Okay. So there's gonna be news Tuesday, so the next day. This is a no news Monday, and no news Monday, and next day is gonna be CPI news. So not messing around with that really. Um, kind of see why is my scheme? Why is my schema always like from to a side? Oh, no, it's this side. This high has to be down, and now to this side. There you go. Damn no. Damn, I hate this thing. Whatever. I'm gonna leave it like that, bro. I don't give a fuck. Oh, like this. Oh my god, this is so annoying, bro. I need to get like another schema or some shit. I don't know. Bro, I hate this, bro. Always looking like it's like in the side, bro. This hand is this one, so I gotta move it like this. No, like this. Oh my god, bro. Alright, that's good. Bro. I don't really give a fuck. So, next day CPI news. So this is gonna be a very tricky day. So I gotta watch for bad price action. Gotta have good conditions. So yeah, let me take a good quick on my notes. So on conditions. Give me 1 second, guys. Looking at my condition notes if there's anything about next day news. So yeah, here are my conditions. Doesn't say anything about next day news. So I'm not gonna worry about that. So let's just go right ahead and look for the bias for today. Right, so daily, same stuff, same shit. Daily here, same shit. Now 4 hour. We still got this 4 hour for all the app getting respected. So till that is inverse, then I'm gonna ES inversed already. This one, right? No, this one. I mean, we're disrespecting this one, but all we have to go to the 1 hour. Because right now it's very tricky with all this chop press action. Like, look at this, bro. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So really tricky bias for today. I'm just gonna go with the 1 hour delivering from sell side. We swept all these lows here. Just got swept. ES didn't sweep this low, Enki did. So right now we have an SMT of that. Go ahead and mark it up. Yeah. So yeah, it didn't swap that low. So right now I'm looking for longs. I mean, for a bullish bias right now. So well, relative equal lows here. Even though we got an SMT here. In the 1 hour here. So 4 hour really. I mean, I don't see any clear disrespect. I mean, we're doing from the buy side right now. We feel this fair value gap here. I mean, this gap here, this new week opening gap already got filled. So just got filled right here in the 5 minute. Yeah, just got filled right now. And yeah, I mean, we got this internal high here. This could be the wrong liquidity for the day, but I'm more into shorts right now already because we're in this downtrend, even though it's really choppy. We just did reject of this hourly 4 hour fair value gap. I respected it. Let's see on ES. ES is respected, so I'm more into the into the bearish side of the day, but anything can happen really. As you know, trading the 5 minute time frame, so 2 hourly, it's not almost not gonna have any play in my trades, but still. So yeah, we got this internal high here with these relative equal lows on NQ. So are gonna be, I think, very important. So relative equal lows. So we just fill this new week opening gap. The only thing we have here is this hourly fair value gap that I see here. That's okay. Hourly fair value gap there. Let's see if there's like a 15-minute there. Okay. 1 hour, 15-minute. Okay, so 15-minute and hourly, so that's like a important zone maybe. So I mean, I want to target these lows here, so let's go ahead and mark new London Open right here. So London low, it's gonna be this low over here. Maybe London low. So we got these relative equal lows with London low. This is previous day low. So yeah, next day is PPI news. So maybe prices don't want to come and take this low. Maybe it's just building liquidity then to drop quick. Because tomorrow is PPI news. Market do that many times. So yeah, gotta be careful. And then let's go ahead, mark the same on ES. Any fair value gaps? There's this 1 hour on ES. I'm gonna mark that. And then internal high here on ES too. and then another hourly for all you got too. And then that's a 15-minute too, right? Yeah. So yeah, very strong draw liquidity. This 1 hour and 15 minute for volley gap. So yeah, that's long and low. Asia session lows and high has been already been taken. Yeah, it's been already been manipulated. So yeah, and then London highs manipulated already. So we just got London lows here, and then we have this 15-minute 1 hour, and let's see on NQ should have the same 1 hour. Yeah, same 1 hour for volley gap here, but already got filled. So yeah, I'm not just going to look at this 15-minute instead of the 1 hour. So yeah, 15-minute right there, right here. Instead of 5-minute. Okay. There's a bunch of 5-minute. I mean, 15-minute huge. So I mean, there's this other one. So 5-minute. 5-minute, 15, 5-minute, and then there's this 5-minute here. I mean, there's a bunch of 5 minutes. So 5-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute for volley gap. This one is the last one. So that's why I am going to mark it. Yeah. Bunch of draws on liquidity towards the downside. 50-minute for volley gap, 5-minute for volley, and then this relative equal lows. But as you guys know, PPI news next day, CPI news next day. So CPI, yeah, CPI news the next day. So you gotta be alert of that. So yeah, we just got London lows here. Got on SMT with these lows right here. So yeah, maybe this SMT one has push price high right now. So, yeah, and then I mean, and ES just swept these lows. It's an hourly. Yeah, swept these lows, and it's respecting this one, but this is what price end up doing. There's this 1 hour for a while you got on ES, and let me go ahead and mark London low on ES too. And I just saw that we're getting another SMT here with these lows. So I don't know, SMT of this high. So I mean, ES swept this low right here. So on SMT right here. So we got to do SMT. So maybe price wanna go target this internal high. Maybe. I mean, damn, I got scared, bro. Let me silence this shit. So for me, price maybe wanna keep pushing onto this internal high. So very neutral bias for a day, and then daily profile. This is London session. I mean, yeah, no daily bias for the day really. So yeah, I'm not looking at any daily bias really. I mean, this could be London reversal, New York continuation, because I mean this low could be sponsored by this SMT and then this other SMT. So 2 SMTs really, but this is not gonna. I mean, this is a very strong draw on liquidity, and then. Or yeah, this could be Asia session accumulation. So Asia session. I mean, what this accumulation like here, and then this inversion, and then, but yeah, I'm not looking at daily profiles this day. I mean, this didn't tap into anything else of importance, but yeah, I'm just not going to really look at daily profiles. So what I can see for today is price tap into this 1 hour 50 minute and then inverse this gap. I mean, we have these two 5 minute, which I don't like, but for me, one thing I want to see on the day is just tap into this and then just go down here into this 5 minute and then towards this low. But PMI news tomorrow, CPI news tomorrow, so gotta be careful about that. And then if we could inverse this 5 minute, then I'll be willing to take shorts to at least this 15 minute, 5 minute, and then go break even here. But yeah, I gotta wait for that movement, and then it's one of my buys, and then the other bias is just prices push through this gap and then keep pushing higher. So yeah, I don't think so. This is gonna be like my game changer point. How is it? I mean, price already filled this, so it can go lower, but I want to see it push into this 1 hour bar 15 minute, and yeah, just keep going up until this internal high, because we got this SMT pushing pushing price higher, or just an inversion from that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see what price ends up doing. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this 50 minute on ES. So yeah, not that big movement on overnight sessions. So yeah, price session shouldn't be that bad, but it's no news Monday and they CPI news Monday. I mean CPI Tuesday. So you see what price end up doing. Maybe we got a good setup. Maybe we don't. So let's see. Okay, push into the hourly 50 minute, and then yeah, 50 minute hourly gap. So right, just push into that, and then if we're gonna be bearish, we should respect this. So let's just go ahead and let price move. Okay, emerging from that. I mean, right now I could take longs, but I'm not going to. I mean, came here, respected this for rally gap, and now it's inversing. So I see, let me mark it open. It's right here. We're open, so came down here into this 5 minute fair value gap, and it's just inverse this 2 minute. I mean that 1 minute. But yeah, I mean, I don't really like taking trades on the early market open, so potentially could take this trade potentially here till this highs right here, and then stop loss around let me see in the 1 minute. I mean, stop loss should be around, there's not really, so I will put my stop loss around here, maybe here, it's around there. But I'm not really looking for taking this trade, even though maybe it's an A+ setup, because I mean right now it's invalidating this, and then yes haven't gone down. Right now it's feeling this CISD right here. I mean, market just open, CPI news next day, feel this CIZ, but I don't feel comfortable taking this trade. It's only 7 minutes past the market open, so I'm just gonna wait for that. This is right up. But yeah, I mean, price could move to my target. Let's just see what price ends up doing. Yeah, you see, that's why I didn't take the inversion. No, fuck, dude, gotta stop. 1 minute. So yeah, would have gotten stopped out. So yeah, that's why I didn't take the trade. So good decision there. We got this low resistance liquidity that is just being taken right now. And I mean, if we inverse this 5 minute that we just respected, then I'll be willing to take trade off the CISD. So waiting for a fill point at the CISD to target this 50 minute or 5 minute, and then go break even this low. As you see what price ends up doing. It just almost tapped into it, so we gotta wait for a retracement right now. No retracement. I mean, was looking to take this short, but what a fucking candle closure that was. So I mean, we still got this target for the day, but let's see if we can reverse this 5 hour 50-minute. Okay, price inverse everything out. Crazy stuff, really. No 50-minute fair value gap. So so very tricky bias right now. I mean, we came here, swept this low, and then got the inversion here. I mean, so there's so I wanna be bearish really right now. So I mean, could have gotten an inversion setup. Nah, there was no 5-minute on field. So I mean, what from now I could see is just don't really know what to see. Maybe we come up here and then sweep this high, and then not really confident about that. Bro, I hate this thing. I get an idea. Maybe I just turn this up. Ooh. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So we did respect this 50-minute, 5-minute. So my two scenarios right now is, I mean, maybe we'll leave a 5-minute here. Let me just wait for my 1 minute. No, tricky bias. So what I want to see now, maybe probably just keep pushing higher, take this high, inverse into a 5-minute, and then go ahead and take up this internal high here. So that's what I want to see right now. I want to see something else. I want to see the sweep of this high, then a fair value gap here getting filled, and then an inversion fair value gap. That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, I really want to see for the day. This we're gonna take off this high. If I'm gonna be bearish, then I mean, I wanted to see a left of a 5-minute fair value gap there. I want to see this leaving a fair value gap and then filling and then inversing from that. But I wanna sweep this low resistance liquidity. This was, I mean, we're getting an SMT right now with these lows. So there's an SMT right here. So SMT right here, taking place, and then push into this 1 hour too, right? Yeah, lead into this 1 hour, but yeah, that was 15 minutes. This 15 minutes have more power than the 1 hour. So yeah, just want to see that setup playing out. Really, I have to see fair value up getting left behind or something like that. Yeah, 5 minutes. So yeah, nothing to do really here. Now for value gaps. Yeah, price is just starting to chop around. Okay. Prices left this 5-minute fair value gap here. So let's just watch that. I mean, we're getting an S&T of this low, but ES is about to take this hourly 50-minute gap. So let's see if we could get a retracement into that. Okay. Doesn't seem like it. Okay. Left this 5-minute here. Now this is getting better. What time is it? It's 10:15, kind of late. But yeah. I mean, we got this 15-minute here on field. No, not yet. 4 minutes left. I got this 5-minute here. So 5-minute on field right here. So let's see if price push into that. Okay, push into that and then sweep this high. So let's see if we could inverse that. 2 minute now. Okay, push deeper into this 55 minute too. So you know, I probably want to come and take this high really. So let's see. ES didn't tap this 15 minute hourly, so this is looking great for longs. So let's see what price ends up doing in the 1 minute. Okay, push lower. Okay, let's see if it respect this 5 minute fair value gap. Let me delete this. And now let's look for the biggest time frame inversion, which is going to be 5 minute now. 4 minute has 2 minutes left. Right now it's this 3 minute. So this should be the IFVG right now. Oh no, I'm tripping. I mean, oh, there's this fair value up here. I want to see this 4 minute getting formed. Awesome, 4 minute getting formed here. 4 minute IFVG right here. And then for the 5 minute, there's still this 3 minute left. So respecting this 5 minute right now. I mean closure below. I don't really like that. Well, let's see. ES didn't tap into this hourly 50 minutes, so let's see what I end up doing. Not liking this. Now we have this 5 minute here, and then the 50 minute never formed. Let's see what price end up doing if it inverses 5 minute. Gotta wait for this candle to see closure. Okay, close. No, didn't close above yet. So no takes, no trades yet. Okay. So here, I mean, the thing is it inverses 5 minute, and now it's inversing this 5 minute. I mean, really, I was looking to take this trade toward this internal high, but order block form already before the inversion. So 2 minute. So maybe get like a fill point here at the CISD. What time is it? 10:58, and I mean price is kind of choppy really. But I mean we just inverse this gap, got this drawn liquidity higher here. I gotta go break even on right here on ES. I would have to go break even here. I mean, got the inversion here, just really bad closure. But could get a fill point at the CISD. 4 minute, 2 minute, I mean 5 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 4 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. I mean, there's this 1 minute CISD, and we got this 4 minute fair value gap here, which is turning into a 5 minute. Let's see if I retrace quick. If not, then I'm not gonna be taking the trade. I mean, took this high already, this internal high. Took this internal high, which I wanted to see as my break-even point. So yeah, no reason to take this trade, even though it could go to target, and it is going to go to target. But yeah, and then I mean, closure here, closure right there. Yeah, 2 minute. Didn't even have the retracement here. 5 minutes. So came here, price here at 10:55. So yeah, I mean price close here, so all the way over here, never came down into the CISD, and didn't even fill this Rowley gap in 1 minute. So yeah, no opportunities there. could have gotten, no, could have gotten anything wrong really. Like this is going to be a very shitty ass trade. So yeah, happy not to trade an ES, just but I'm not gonna look for shorts at this time. Maybe I could. Is there a 50-minute on field? No, there's not. I mean, I can be confident about price inversing from this now, but it's just we have this fair value, 5-minute fair value here, 5-minute fair value here, so I cannot see the Mac model from in there. So yeah, let's just delete it, this bunch of shit, and let's just go to the next day open. Damn, so fucking hot, bro. What is going on? So yeah, next day open. Let's go just to the next day open. Holy fuck. So at the end of the day, the SMT did its job. This SMT did the job, bro. So this SMT did push price higher. So SMT with these lows, I believe. No, where was it, the SMT? This low right here. So you cannot see it. So yeah, SMT with this low, NQD swept, and then that push higher, even higher. That's really weird, but yeah. Let's see if this is going to be a good trading day, which is not looking like it. I mean, biggest over. I mean, let's go to the daily again. Daily. No gaps in the daily. On ES. 4 hour. Gotta fill this gap, so going to keep going. I mean, still going to be bullish, really delivering from sell side, and got that news already came out at 8:30. The PMI already came out. That's gonna be shown in the graph. But yeah, I mean, all-time highs territory. Yeah, really nothing to do this day. Really anything to do that day. And then yeah, oh no fair value gaps here in the hourly. No, yeah, for hourly. I mean, yeah, we got these gaps, but so this day I'm just gonna look for a Mac model of liquidity sweep or liquidity sweep of Asia session lows or something like that. That's like the only the only trades I could be taking of this really. So yeah, let me go ahead and mark each. So I just gonna be a liquidity sweep, and then that's the only thing I can really look for it. I mean, there's no. I'm not gonna go take shorts because we're not in a average buy. I mean, this low didn't tap into anything of importance, I believe. But yeah, let me just real quick mark London highs and lows, session highs and lows. So as this is the 8:30 news candlestick, yeah. So let me go ahead and mark that up. 2 a.m. On the high, we're low. It's right here. Okay, so London high, low. Alright, here form. And then Asia session low. God damn it, Asia session. What the fuck happened here, dude? Asia's Asian. It's really weird. So yeah, Asia session really don't know how the fuck, but Asia session low is all the way the fuck down here. Really weird. And then we have these relative equal lows here, so this is like a very strong round liquidity for the day. I mean, most of the people wouldn't trade this day. I wouldn't too. Give me 1 second, guys. Fuck. Alright, guys, I'm back. What I was saying, most of the people wouldn't trade at all-time highs. I wouldn't too, but if I see the model, the Mac model, that I just saw on YouTube of this very good trader called Blake. It's not that yeah, so that's a very good model to get on this situation, but mm, not really liking it because we got an SMT. Even though we got these equal lows, we got an SMT with this low and this high, so that's not good. That's not very good. That's not ideal. Yeah, you swept the lows, but yeah, I'm really gonna look at this, just get a model, a reversion model here, and then that's it really. See what price end up doing. If it I want to see a quick manipulation down. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, cool. That's really what I wanted to see in order to take a trade. But I don't want to see these London session lows get taken. I don't want to see only these low, and then potentially getting an SMT of that could be great. Okay, cool. That was super quick, but so got this 5-minute on fill here. So there's this 5-minute on field, and then we just swept this London low. We didn't got an SMT, but we just swept this London session low. So really quick, yeah, swept this low. Let's look at the highest time frame inversion. So it's gonna be bro. What happened with the fucking countdown bar close? Why that doesn't show it? Okay, so we got this IFG here in the 1 minute. No, in the 2 minute. There's this only IFG here in the 2 minute. Okay, wait for the closure. Let's see if we got a good closure. Not a good closure above. Not a good closure. And yeah, I mean, didn't even tap to it, but it gets tapped into this 5 minute. So I mean, yeah, after this, nah, I'm not gonna take trades. Okay, so yeah, pretty much that's it for this day. I mean, he has tapped into this 5 minute. Thank you. Did it came to a 50-minute now? So yeah, nothing to do on all-time highs really. Nothing to target, unknown territory. So I'm just not gonna take trade this day. So very tricky day. No trades this session even. But yeah. So I'll see you guys next day. I gotta go to the gym now. So see you guys in the next episode. So yeah, no trades really. I mean, yeah, not even a tap. Maybe could have taken shorts, but I mean, yeah, unknown territory. I mean, and we just swept this London session line, which could have been my target. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like right there, guys. Thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. Adios.